Okay, I've hauled some stuff out here, and for my silverware, I know probably putting them in the drawer would be the best place. However, I have one kitchen drawer. Let me show you. I have this one kitchen drawer, and by the time I get, which I don't have in there yet, a spatula, you know, pancake turner, that kind of stuff, there's no room for silverware. It'd always be a mess. So I tried doing this. I don't know if you can see it with the light. Let's move it over here. I tried doing this, but as you can see, they fall out all over the place. So this is what I did. This is what I did, or I'm doing. It's just a cute little metal bucket, and I am going to just carry my silverware in that down the road. I figure, you know, I can always set it in the sink. I really did like this idea, but it's just not going to work. And yeah, I could put the pancake turners and the spatulas and all that stuff in this. And I still might, I don't know. So anyway, and I got a cute little light that I'm going to set up back over there. And I got that set up. So I'm going to putz around a little bit, get some things put away, bring some stuff in. I cannot for the life of me figure out how to hook this cabinet back up. It goes over the sink area, but the hooks that went up in here, oops, the hooks that go up in this hole here, and this hole, and this hole, and this hole, and then there's some over here, they don't stay in. And I noticed that they don't stay in when I took them down. The screws that were in, I think they're called molly bolts or something, they're in here. Let me show you. Set this down. Anyway, the screws or bolts or whatever they were, the way it works is this thing here, well, this thing goes into the wall. This, yeah, goes into the wall up there, and then there's supposed to be a screw, this one, that goes inside of it. But this screw doesn't, I don't know what's going on, but this, I know this is supposed to expand, and yeah, but it doesn't do it. And when I took that cabinet off the wall, this came out with it, just that easy. So if you guys know a better way to you know, do this, let's see, it goes like, it would go like that in the wall, and then the cabinet hooks down. There's a little clip on the back of the cabinet that goes down in this hole, but I can't get these to stay in. So do I need to find a fatter screw? I don't know. So if you could comment below and let me know what I'm supposed to do with this mess, because I really need the cabinet, but right now I have no way to hook it up. But I appreciate your input. Alright, I'm going to keep loading stuff up. Oh, let me show you. I put my bed in here, got it set up. There's a pad here, and then the mattress is from here down. So I've got like, what, a 2-inch pad on here. But before I go any further, yeah, flannel sheets, I love flannel sheets. But before I go any further, like making the bed, putting the pillows in and all that stuff, I'm going to close up this part of the shell and make sure it'll close without having to completely take this mattress pad out. I found this at Walmart. It's a pretty cool little gadget. It hooks up there. It's supposed to be over the door, but I hung it there, and it's got these nifty little hooks that you can hang a hat, you can hang flip-flops, possibly a towel. Anyway, and it's got a whole bunch of hooks. You can move them up and down. They don't have to stay all bundled up. and then it hooks at the bottom with another hook to keep it stabilized. But since there's little to no storage, in the bathroom for towels and whatnot, I figured I'd do that. I may end up putting it over the front door to hook shoes, flip-flops on, whatnot. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, there's the bed. Woohoo! Tell you what, once I got that in there, I flopped on it and just laid there for a